Today we're going to make this easy beaded wreath craft.
For today's craft, you're going to need some beads and a pipe cleaner. Now, you can have a pipe cleaner in any color that you would like and beads in any color that you would like. I just happen to have some Christmas colors here, but you can choose sparkly ones, all the same color, completely different colors. That's the wonderful thing about this craft. It is very versatile. So the thing I'm going to do is take my pipe cleaner and I'm going to start putting my beads on. Now I want to put mine on in a pattern, so I am going to do that. So I'm going to go white, red, and green. You get to decide whatever you would like. So all you do is decide what beads you want, what order you want, and you just start putting those onto your pipe cleaner. So go ahead and start putting them on. Okay, now you don't want to fill up your entire pipe cleaner because we do need some to make the bow at the end. This is kind of where you have to do a little bit of guessing. You can see I have quite a bit. And I think I want to put the rest of these on because I think I want my bow to, or my wreath to be a little bit bigger. But you just don't want to go right to the end because then you are going to end up without anything to make your bow. So here we go. I think I like that as my wreath. So I'm going to now round it off. And when I get to the end here, I want enough on this side and on this side that's the same. So you can see I have enough here and here that it equals about the same. I'm going to bring those two ends together. And I am going to just do a quick little one spin. So I just spin it once. And that's when I want to now turn these into a nice little bow. So I take one side and I am going to just curl around. And when I curl around, you can see, so here I'll just show you again. So I take my finger in there and I curl it around and I have this bottom part coming up through here, and then I'm just going to pull it through. Because I want a little bit to be sticking out at the bottom, and you might need to twist a little bit, but just be patient with yourself. I'm going to curl this one around, trying to make the same thing. And the good thing is if you make a mistake, you can just fix it because this is easy to work with, and I'm pulling it back down. And then I'm just going to work on making a bow. So that's all I'm doing, is I'm just working on using my fingers to move things around to create the bow that I like. And then once that is done, ta-da! You can have your bow at the bottom. You could keep your bow at the top. You could put a little string on here if you wanted, or you can just hang it like that. You can also pull this down if you prefer that. And there you go. If you like this craft, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me on Craft Club for Kids. Remember, be creative and have fun.